Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your icloud.com/calendar on your web browser and make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go ahead and select the calendar that you want to share with Google. So let's say I'm gonna go for the work over here and click on this icon over here. And after that, you should be able to see here public calendar. So just simply turn this on. And now from here guys, as you can see, you will have this link over here. Just simply copy this one. And now once it is copied, just simply go for your Google Calendar. And after that, just simply select the plus icon over here on the other calendars category in your Google Calendar. And after that, just simply go for from URL. And now just simply paste the URL over here. And now from here, you will have an option to make the calendar publicly accessible. So this will be depending on you. And after that, just simply go add calendar. And after that, you go back to your calendar. As you can see, you should be able to see your calendar over here. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.